Very carefully. From this only the questions usually arises. Like any typical questions will come. That is, will come from the identify the dispersed phase and dispersed medium in the given compounds, or sorry, the given substances they will ask you. So as we know, dispersed phase means solute or solvent. Everybody, dispersed phase.
Solute.
Dispersed phase means a solute or solvent. Mr. Reddy? Solute. Next, dispersed medium, dispersion medium. Dispersed phase means solute. Dispersion medium, what we used to call?
Solvent.
Yes, dispersion medium we used to call it as solvent. So, as even I explained you in the last class, the tabular column of the examples in textbook, NCERT textbook. So totally we'll be having how many types of colloids? Classification of colloids, everybody.
7 types.
Classification of colloids. Please respond. Classification of colloids. How many are there? Totally 7 types are there. So what is the first one? Say fastly. Last class we studied that. Sol. Second one.
Solid.
Sol. Next, third one. Fastly.
Aerosol.
Aerosol. A-E-R-O-S-O-L. Aerosol. Next one. Fourth one.
Emulsion.
Emulsions. E-M-U-L-S-I-O-N. Emulsion. Next.
Foam.
Foam. Next. Sixth one. Sixth one, solid foam, and last one is gel. Solid foam, and last one is what? Gel. Okay. Now, observe very carefully from the first to last. Whenever you will get any type of colloidal substances classification, first you must be able to know before, because in exam they won't give the dispersed phase and dispersed medium, because what they will ask us to find in exam, Mr. Arun Kailash, they will ask us to find which is dispersed phase and which is dispersed medium. Do you understand, everybody? Do you understand? That is why we must know for every classification what is the dispersed phase and what is the dispersed medium. So now let us study that. So first one, sol. If you take the sol, solid particles are dispersed in a liquid medium. So who is the dispersed phase? Everybody? Who is the dispersed phase?
Solid.
Solid. Who is the dispersed medium?
Liquid.
Yes, liquid. That is what. So first, sol, right? A tiny solid particles are dispersed in a liquid medium. A tiny solid particles are dispersed in a liquid medium. Mr. Reddy, then who is the solid particles are called as what? Everybody. Dispersed phase. And liquid medium is called as dispersion medium. So whenever you will get a sol, then solid is dispersed phase, means solute. This is solute. And this is what, Mitakshri? Solvent. That is what it is. Okay. Johan and Arani, please you also kindly respond. That is what the first one. Is it okay? Examples I will teach you later. More examples also I will teach you. Okay. So that is what. Next, solid sol. Anybody can tell me solid sol? Solid sol. Yes, please. Solid particles are dispersed in a which medium? Solid sol. Hari. Solid sol means solid particles are dispersed in solid medium. solid medium. Do you understand it? So both dispersed phase and dispersed medium, both mediums are what? Solid only.
Solid.
That is the second one. Okay. Next, third one. What is the third one? Aerosol. 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 Remember, aerosol. A solid or liquid is dispersed in a gas. A solid or what it is, guys? Liquid is dispersed in a gas. So who is the dispersed medium here? Girls, who is the dispersed medium here? Ready? Arun, gas is dispersed medium, means it is solvent. Medium, dispersed medium, and solid or liquid is called as what? Dispersed phase. Okay, everybody? Please respond. That is what? Mr. Omar? All of you? Aerosol means. That is what you
Yes, sir.
gas means, including air. Please remember that. Including air. Air is also a mixture of gases only. So, if we'll take a lot of things like examples of aerosols where a solid is dispersed in a gas. Where? Please, examples I am saying. Because dispersed phase is maybe solid or maybe liquid. Yes or no, Mitakshri? Yes, please. So,
Yes, sir.
a solid in a gas, if we'll take example is smoke. What is that? You can take smoke. So, smoke who is containing? Soot particles, soot in air. So, soot is called as solid. Understand? Soot means a black ash and air is called as gas. Is it okay? Va? Everybody. Next, liquid in a gas. What is a liquid in a gas? You can take even automobile exhaust also for this one. Smoke and automobile exhaust. Means our bikes will release, correct? That is what. Automobile exhaust. EXHAUSTS. That is. Sorry, everyone. Now, liquid in a gas, tell me any example. Anybody? Liquid in a gas, any example? Let me see who will say. Fast. You all people are using sprays, hairspray, body spray, everything. That is what it is. Hairspray. Yes, liquid, yeah, formula. The examples of aerosols. Liquid is dispersed in a gas. Please, liquid dispersed in a gas. Examples: hairspray, fog, mist and clouds. Fog, mist and clouds. Sarya? Mitakshri? Understand?
Yes, sir.
Omar? Akilan? Any doubt?
sir.
This is what it is. So aerosol means maybe a solid or maybe a liquid. Next. What is the next type of colloids? Next type of colloids. Emulsion. Right. Emulsion. A colloid in which minute droplets of one liquid are dispersed in another liquid. Minute droplets of liquid. Minute droplets of one liquid. One liquid is dispersed in another liquid. Another liquid is only called as emulsion. But is it miscible or immiscible? That is what my question. Let me see who will answer. Is it miscible or immiscible? Yes, Mr. Harish Reddy. Is it miscible or immiscible? Actually, this is what important. Liquid which is not miscible with it. Which is not miscible with it. Remember, liquid which is not miscible with it. That is very important. You understand, Ra? I'll give you the examples later. No issues. This is what emulsion. So liquid in a liquid emulsion. Next, foam. Anybody can tell me foam? What is the dispersed phase and dispersed medium? Foam. Yes, please. Foam.
The gas.
A gas
Solid.
in a liquid medium. A gas is dispersed in a liquid medium. Is it okay? A gas is dispersed in a liquid medium. Is it okay, Ra? Yes, please. That is what it is. Purima, everyone. A gas is dispersed in a liquid medium. Next, sixth one. What is the sixth one? Sixth one.
Solid.
Solid form.
Solid form. So who will guess it? Who is the dispersed phase and dispersed medium? Everyone. Johan, Harini, Arun Kailash. No response at all. Mr. Gokul are there? I think. Yeah, Akilan. Who is?
I am here, sir.
Yeah, guess it. A gas is dispersed in a which medium? Solid form. Gas is
Solid.
dispersed in a solid medium. That is what. A gas is dispersed in a solid medium. Liquid medium, what we used to call? Foam. If it is solid medium, then it is called as solid form. So who is the dispersed phase here and who is the dispersed medium? This is dispersed medium. And who is the dispersed phase? Dispersed phase is gas. Is it okay, ma? Everyone, please respond. That is what it is. Next, last one. Ready? What is the last one? Gel. Gel, gel. So gel if we'll take, what is that? Anybody can tell me? Gel.
So dispersing phase is liquid and dispersing medium is solid.
Yeah, I will say. Right. Dispersed medium is liquid. Dispersed phase is a network of solid particles. Right. The gel is a semi-solid colloid. Right, neatly. The gel is a semi-solid colloid. Purima Omar, semi-solid colloid in which there is a continuous network of solid particles. Continuous network of solid particles. Continuous network of solid particles dispersed in a liquid. Dispersed in a where? Dispersed in a where?
Liquid.
In a liquid. So who is the dispersed medium? Everybody. Dispersed medium is liquid and continuous network of solid particles. Who is solid particles called as? Dispersed phase. Is it okay, everybody? Yes, please.
Sir,
Yeah. Yeah.
Sir, but in book they give like a dispersed phase is liquid and dispersed medium is solid.
NCRT.
Yes, sir.
What is the example they given, Omar?
Example: jelly, cheese, and butter.
Yeah, jellies, cheese and butter will come under emulsion, and cheese also will come under that only. So let it be. We'll see that. But gel means it is a Like hair gel. Do all people know hair gel, which we are using for our hair?
Yes, sir.
So that is what. Of course, continuous network of solid in a liquid is only called as gel. So dispersed phase is solid.
What about milk of magnesia?
Milk of magnesia will come under a liquid under liquid only. Where is the example? For what you have written milk of magnesia example?
Displacing phase is solid and displacing medium is liquid.
Yes, that is also will come under gel only. Like jelly like
But
liquid.
they do SOL.
Solid they have given.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So the actually in sol also who is the solid medium? A dispersed phase only. Correct or not?
Yes, sir.
And liquid who is the dispersed medium in sol also?
Yes, sir.
That is one. Understand, Omar?
Yes, sir.
Let it be. Now I will give you one tabular column. This tabular column you people learn so that you'll never face any difficulty in learning of all these 7 type of colloidal substances and which is dispersed phase and as well as which is dispersed medium. Is it okay, everybody? Now, all should learn this entire thing, and definitely from this so many times they'll ask you in exam also. So observe here very carefully all the technical name of the colloid. One is sol, next one is solid sol, next one is aerosol, next one is emulsion, next one is foam, solid foam, and gel. Now if you take sol, sol means I taught you everything, just check it. But examples, our NCERT book they have given very few examples, but here so many examples are there. Please learn that examples. That is what you can see. Sol means what is the example? Ink, soap solution, starch solution, and most of the what? Paints. Understand? So everything will come under sol only. So please learn it. So next one, if you'll notice it, and also see next solid sol. What is the example of solid sol? Solid sol. Yes, please. Colored gemstones, that is what like a ruby. You know, textbook, what is the example given? Mitakshri, Hari. Solid sol. What is the example given? Solid sol.
Colored gemstone, milky glass, sir.
Yes.
Colored gemstone and milky glass.
Milky glass. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Next, aerosol, smoke, automobiles and automobile exhaust. Next, aerosol you can see. Aerosol will be 2 types. What is that aerosols? Solid and gas, liquid and gas. Purima, everybody. So solid and gas, smoke and automobiles. Liquid and gas, hairsprays, fog, mist and clouds. Same way, emulsions, liquid in a liquid, milk, butter, and face creams. Next, foam, gas in a liquid, fire extinguishers, soap, bubbles, shaving creams, and beer foam. Beer foam means you all people know, movies and all you might be watched. When they will open the beer, alcohol, it will be coming outside. Do you notice that? Everybody? Please respond. So that is what it is. So that is also, it is foam which contains gas in a liquid. Next, solid foam. Solid foam is like sponge which we are using for cleaning the board and all. Insulating foam, foam rubber, sponge, and as well as bread. Bread what we are eating. It will be having the holes. Is it yes or no, guys? And that holes is filled with the what? Gas. That is why gas in a solid, we can say the bread also. Next, last one, gel. A solid gels, hair gels and all we people are using for hairstyles, spikes and all. So solid in a liquid, it is a continuous network of liquid, which is like jellies, next gelatin and hair gel. So these are the examples of all the seven types of colloids and what is the examples. Now whenever you will see at least one example should remember in our mind for each and every one. So first of all, whenever you can see they will ask you in anything in the exam, first you have to give what is the dispersed phase and as well as what is the dispersive medium. Now, how many of you are able to understand what is dispersive phase and what is the dispersive medium? Everything? Is it clear, everything? Harish? Hari?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, that is what. So all the things with the example you must learn. So that is what you have to remember it. Now, if you'll notice it very carefully, this is all about it. Now I will show you one picture which will describe entire all the 7 types of things with one example. So you might be remember that picture. So easily you can, at least one you can. So let us discuss that. The first one you can see. Paints. Paints will come under what? Fastly tell me. Paints will come under what? Paints will come under what?
All.
Sol. That is what. So you can see in this picture, all these things, each and everything is come under. So this is the first kind of sol. Second one, solid sol. Third one, hairspray. Hairspray. Aerosol. Understand? Next, fourth one, milk. Milk is a what? Emulsion. Shaving cream is a what? Foam. And sponge is a solid foam. Hair gel is a what? Hair gel is what? Gel. Understand? So gel. So this is what all the 7 types. So remember this, and whatever the question they will ask you from this, you must be able to answer it. Hope everybody understand, Mr. Gokul. Mr.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Any doubt? Anybody can ask me. Mitakshri, are you clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So this is what it is. So it is very, very important concept, and you have to learn it very carefully. Now, if you'll understand this one, then the numericals part we are going to study. That is what the next one. That is only called as concentration of a solute. Please make it, everybody. What is the next concept we are going to study? Concentration of a solution. Write it. Concentration. What do you mean by concentration? Anybody? What do you mean by concentration? I want response. Gokul? Akilan? Akilan respond. Arun Kailash, you also. How many times I should request, man?
Amount of solute and solvent.
Very good, Omar. So, I will give you an example. To understand the word called as concentration, let me take now 100 ml of beaker. So now, Mitakshri will take 100 ml of water and she will add 10 grams of sugar. Now, Harini will take the same 100 ml of beaker. So she will take 100 ml of water and she will add 50 grams of sugar. Now you tell me, who is concentrated solution and who is diluted solution? Who is less concentration and who is more concentration? I want it. Yes, please.
Second one is more concentrated, sir.
Why second one is more concentrated?
Because the amount of solute and solvent is more, sir.
Yes, that is what you have to remember. So, from this you can understand concentration of a given solution. We can decide by what factor? Everybody, by amount of solute present in the solution. Is it yes or no? Please respond. So, what
Yes,
amount of solvent solute is present in the given solution is only will decide what is the concentration of a solution. So solution is either a high concentration or low concentration is only decided by one factor. What is that? How much amount of solute is dissolved. So if more solute is dissolved, then what will happen? What is to call? We is to call as high concentration. If less solute is present in the solution, then we can say it is less concentration of the solution. Is it right or wrong? Yes, everybody? Tell me fastly. So, if we take a dilute solution of sugar, then we can say it is, so Mitakshri is one, low concentration or high concentration? Mitakshri one, I can say it is a dilute solution of sugar. Is it yes or no? So it is a dilute solution. So dilute solution means Low concentration or high concentration? Low concentration. Okay. Now, Harnish one. It is Harnish one. I can say concentrated solution. This is dilute solution. Understanding, and that is called as concentrated solution. Now, concentrated solution means in the sense of low concentration or high concentration. This is dilute solution and that is concentrated solution. Now, means concentrated means high concentration or low concentration? High concentration or low concentration? High concentration. Okay. Concentrated solution means high concentrated. That is what you have to remember that. Okay, everyone. So who will decide either the given solution is a concentrated or diluted? Everybody? Who will decide? Amount of solute. Amount of solute will decide either the given solution is a low concentration or high concentration. Yes. And I'm saying again, please, everyone should speak in the class. So only one or two is responding, remaining silent means don't want. I'll remove from the meeting, I'm saying. Write it. The concentration of a solution is the concentration of a solution is the concentration of a solution is the amount of solute is the amount of solute present in a given quantity of the solution. Solute present in a given quantity of the solution. What do you mean by given quantity of the solution? Mr. Reddy, Hari, anybody can answer. Mitakshri, what do you mean by given quantity of the solution? I want it response. Everyone. What do you mean by given quantity of solution? Nobody? Now, for example, try to understand, Mr. Omar. Now, for example, take Omar is having a big beaker around 5 liters of water. How many liters of water? How many liters of water?
5 liters.
5 liters of water. Now, let me take Omar is dissolving 1 kg of sugar. How much is dissolving?
1 kg.
1 kg of sugar. Do you understanding, everybody? Means, now, let me take now, Reddy is having another beaker, having only now 1 liter of water. Do you understand, everybody? Now, he dissolved 500 grams of sugar. Now, you tell me, who is concentrated, means high concentrated, who is low concentrated? I want it.
Sir, second one, sir.
Only
Everybody. Why here we are having more sugar, correct?
1 liter of water, 500 grams is too.
We are having
That
more
1
sugar,
kg of
correct?
sugar
Then
will
why?
be less for the water,
Yes,
sir.
please. Yes,
Because
please.
that 1 kg of sugar will be very less.
Yes. So, not only amount of solute is matters, also who is matters? Mr. Reddy? Also
Solvent.
matters. Amount of solvent also means solution also matters. So, how much solute is present for what quantity of solution is only will decide the concentration. Understand, Mitakshri, now? So, who is high concentration? This one or this one? First one or second one?
1 liter of 500 grams.
Concentration. Because why it is high concentration? Because for 1 liter 500 grams of sugar, but here 5 liters, how many grams of sugar? 1 kg sugar only. So
I mean 1000 grams.
low concentration. Do you understand, Mr. Gokul and Akilan? So that is why
Yes, sir.
quantity of the solution is also very, very important. Puriyama, everybody?
Yes, sir.
Yes. That is what. So now I will show you an image which is containing the same chemical compound which is very well known for us. So we studied to study the properties of solid, liquid and gases. We studied one chemical compound which is dispersed in the liquid. Can anybody remember that chemical? Potassium permanganate. Do you remember?
Yes, sir.
What is the form
Yes, sir.
of potassium permanganate? Yes.
Liquid, sir.
KMNO4.
Formula
KMNO4, sir.
KMNO4. Mr. Omar, you might be don't know.
Yes.
Potassium
Yes, sir. We saw in chemistry lab, sir.
Yes, potassium permanganate KMNO4. Now, in this two flask, this is what we used to call as conical flask. What we used to call conical.
Chemical flask.
Now you tell me, both are same potassium permanganate or different solutions. That is what different chemicals.
Different solutions, sir.
Yes, please. Same or different? Akilan. Yes,
Different,
Akilan.
Same,
sir.
sir.
Same or different? Mr. Reddy, Mitakshri, Harini.
Same, sir.
Different, sir.
So it is same only, but it is
How, sir?
it is appears different. Why, guys? Anybody?
Sir, more
Because
potassium
the
permanganate is there.
Yeah. So the flask given on the left side, if you'll notice it, who is on the left side? This is. Do you understand, everybody? This is left and this is what? Right. We'll see. So left side is having low concentration. Do you understand, Mr. Omar? And right side it is having very
High
high
concentration.
concentration. So that is why you can see potassium permanganate. If you are keep on splitting, the color, the pink color will be slowly diluted. Do you notice it? Yes, please.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
A
In the first
concentrated solution of potassium permanganate having high concentration, and this is low concentration. That is the difference. So here amount of potassium permanganate is diluted, understand, but here highly more concentrated. Do you understand, everybody? Yes, please.
Yes, sir.
That is what you have to remember. So low concentration means what we used to call? Low concentration means we used to call as dilute solution. What we used to call, everyone? Dilute solution. And high concentration means we used to call as what we used to call, everybody? Concentrated solution. What we used to call?
Concentrated solution.
Concentrated solution. Please note it down till here. Any doubt, ask. So what is another name of diluted solution? Low concentration called as diluted, high concentration called as concentrated solution. Please learn, everyone. Completed?
Yes, sir.
Completed, sir.
Now, if you'll understand this, have you understand now how it will be concentrated, high concentrated, low concentrated? Everybody? Now, if we'll make it this one, then we'll proceed further. So that is what. So as we already come to conclusion that how much like amount of solute only will decide either the concentration, like a concentration of solution is high or low. Is it yes or no? Is there any doubt in that? Yes, please. Nobody? So amount of solute will decide what is the concentration of solution. Solution, not solvent. Either it is a diluted solution or it is a concentrated. Okay. Now, all of you should remember the concentration of a solution can be expressed in a understanding number of different ways, and the most common way of expressing the concentration of a solution is the percentage method. What is the most popular method to make the concentration? Percentage method, right? The concentration of a solution, expressing the concentration of a solution is expressing the most common method. The most common method of expressing the concentration of a solution is percentage method. Which method? Percentage method. Purima, everybody, please respond. So now, this percentage method is expressing the concentration of solution. Yes, you remember the percentage method is expressing the concentration of a solution refers to the percentage of solute present in the solution. What it will refers, guys? What will refers? Somebody is making noise. Mr. Omar, you are only. Yes. So what the percentage method will express? Mitakshri? What will express? Express percentage of solute present in the solution. Express
Concentration of solute and solution, solvent.
not solvent, solution. Percentage of solute
In the solution.
in the solution. Prima, that is what? Percentage method. So, these percentage of solution can be expressed by two ways. What is that? Anybody can tell me?